Hello guys, last time I taught you about how to create a new basic app. So in this video I'll be teaching how to open a new activity when you press a button. So let's start with creating a new project and give your application name. I'll be giving it as my app, and you can give any company domain you want. The detailed explanation of everything was given in the last video, so if you guys have missed it, you can go back and check it out. So for now I'll just skip through it fast. Phone and tablet, empty activity, and the default is main activity. So the default text view says hello world. I don't want hello world to be shown. I'll just change it to first activity. And I'll change this font size to somewhere around 50. Yeah. So next we need to have a button, so that if you click the button it goes to the next activity. So just drag and drop the button. Just place it wherever you want. Add constraint if you're using constraint layout. So next, if you click the button, it has to go to the next activity. So we have to create one more activity. So go to app, source, main, and Java. Right click here and create new activity. Choose empty activity. Here the default name is main2 activity, so let's keep the same thing. Finish. So this is our second activity. This is the XML. So let's just write drop a text view which says activity 2. Again I'll change the font size to 50 so that it's visible. So this is our second activity, and let's go to first activity, and this is our first. So if you click the button it has to go to this. So for this we have to write few lines of code in the main activity. So here in the first activity we have to write a few lines of code so that it works. I already have the code, so I'll just paste it here. So let's change this to button 1. Let's change this to main activity. Main activity. Yeah. So for the explanation, first here you have to declare the button, and the ID of the button is button 2. So we are finding the ID, find view by ID, and declaring it. So we are creating a set on click listener here. Just follow the syntax here. We are creating a new intent which is called intent with the lowercase here. So this is the activity which is the code is written on. So the first activity, and this is the activity which it has to go. So this is like where it is, and this is where it has to go. And here we are starting the activity by start activity and intent. So now let's just run and test it if it works or not. Click OK. So yeah, so this is the first activity, and if you press the button, it goes to the second activity, and when you press the back button, it goes back to the previous activity. So this is it for now. In the next video, if you don't like this default button, I'll show you how to add background to it or how to use an image as a button. So that's it for now. In the next video, I'll be showing how to use an image as a button.